Welcome to the third video of Electrical Engineering series. In this video, we will observe the basic structures of the power system. This is the flowchart of power system. It starts from power generation to power transmission to power distribution to power usage. Now let us start with the power generation. The power generation is done at power plants. This is a power plant. The heart of power plant is power generator or alternator or AC generator. The AC generator is used to produce AC power. In this slide, we observe an alternator connected to power turbine. The power turbine is driven by steam, water, air. This turbine is used to rotate the alternator and the alternator produces power. I will tell you about this in much details in my upcoming video. In this slide, we observe that the AC generator or alternator produces AC power of 4 megawatt to 20 megawatt depending upon its design at 6.6 kilovolt or 11 kilovolt or 25 kilovolt at the frequency of 50 Hz. The power produced in the alternator goes to the generating switchyard at the generating transformer where the low voltage, that is 6.6 kilovolt or 11 kilovolt, is switched to high voltage, that is 132 kilovolt or 265 kilovolts for transmission. At the switchyard, the voltage is stepped up by the power transformer from 11 kilovolt to 132 kilovolt or 265 kilovolts for transmission. Now let us come to transmission. The power is transmitted at high voltages, that is 132 kilovolts or 265 kilovolts or 220 kilovolts with the help of transmission lines. The slide shows the transmission lines. The transmission line comprises of two things, namely the transmission towers and the overhead conductors. Now distribution. The power that is produced was transmitted and now it has to be distributed. So distribution is done with the help of local substation or small substation. This is a small substation. It receives power at 132 kilovolts or 220 kilovolts or 365 kilovolts. In this small substation, the power is stepped down and distributed according to the need of consumers. The bigger consumers may require high voltage, the smaller consumers will require low voltage. This is a 33 kilovolt transmission tower. This is 11 kilovolt distribution line. Now the power reaches the H poles that we observe near us. The slide shows the H poles, which consists of a distribution transformer. The H pole receives 11 kilovolt and the transformer converts it to 440 volts for industrial use, and for domestic use, one phase or 230 volts is taken from the H poles. Now we come to the power usage. The bigger consumer or the industries may require various voltage levels like 132 kilovolts, 33 kilovolts, 11 kilovolts, 6.6 kilovolts, 3.3 kilovolts, 440 volts or 230 volts depending upon its usage. The smaller consumers or the domestic users may require power at low voltage levels like 440 volts 3 phase or 230 volts 1 phase. With this, we come to an end of the basic structures of the power system. Thank you. In my upcoming video, I will be showing you the layout of a power system, the single line diagram and per unit calculations. Do watch my videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.